going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Nick Bartell, the editor-in-chief for TECHNOWARRIORSTV, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're unboxing the SkullCandy Dime 2 True Wireless Earbuds. Now, before I want to start, I want to give a big shout out to Max Emilian from Sandy, Utah. Big thank you to him for helping me get around places, just because my health, as you know, has gone to the toilet. So my eyes have gone to the toilet too. So he helps me get around to where I need to go. So a big heavy metal shout out to him. Also, I want to give a big heavy metal shout out to SkullCandy for making this awesome product. They have a lot of stuff coming out with the SkullCandy Player gaming headsets, which we'll see coming in a review or unboxing in the future. They also have tons of new products that we'll be showing off on the channel as well. So, because it's SkullCandy or bust, always use SkullCandy. SkullCandy makes some of the greatest products out there. They're Chuck Norris proof. They're really freaking durable. But can the Dime 2 stand up to that? Well, you need to make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video, so when we review the Dime 2s, you'll be able to know if they're worth a dime, or if they're worth buying, or they may are worth a dime. Because sometimes the budget line can be really bad. Like, no, just stay away. But maybe that's not the case with SkullCandy. So let's take a look at these. These SkullCandy, and we got a little QR code which you can scan. If the camera, I'll get the camera close to it so your reader can read it. So as you can see, we have Mini and Mighty Dime 2 True Wireless Earbuds. Showcase has got 12 hours of battery life, control music plus calls, auto connect, and IPX4 water resistant. Now, on the left and right side, we got SkullCandy, 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 and then we got the contents. Now, one thing it's going to really take away points is the micro USB connectivity. It's 2022 for bloody sakes. SkullCandy, come on. Okay, now of course it's really good. If you lose these little guys, you can find the tile technology, makes it really, really good. One cool thing, they really care about the environment. 100% recyclable packaging and components. So when you're done with these, you can recycle these guys. It's really good for the environment. That's going to be really great for all the environmental people. So really environmentally friendly. That's what I also like about SkullCandy. True wireless earbuds, Bluetooth 5.2, call, playback, all that fun stuff. Auto connect, use either earbud solo. It's got a microphone in each earbud, so you can let you know if there's a car coming, so one just doesn't go honk honk and blah, clomp you right in the face. And then a noise isolating fit, IPX4 sweat and water resistant, replacement technology, and of course that tile finding technology. As you can see right here, we got the Dime 2 themselves. It shows some of the features like 3.5 hours on the battery life. Are you flipping kidding me? That's not very good. I mean, there's headphones like True Wireless earbuds that have more battery life than that. So SkullCandy, you gotta improve there with the Dime 3. I'd like to see at least 6 hours. 12 hours and then 8.5 in the charging box, in the charging case. If you charge them again, you can get another 12. Basically 12 hours total. But really, it's not very looking good for these little guys when it comes to the review. But let's see what's inside of these little fellas. As you can see, I've got my nice long nails to get the box open for you guys. Okay. Okay, looks like what just fell out is our user guide. a small carabiner like thing you can attach the earbuds. That way you can have them like on like one of those little carabiner things on your backpack. Also under here we get pretty much nothing. Dime 2, charge, blah blah blah. Earbuds after case before using. Charge earbuds in case before using. So give these guys a full charge before using them. We get extra little ear tips. The world's smallest micro USB cable right here. Okay, let me get the camera to focus on that. You can see here. Another reason why they're probably fall on the rating. And then we have them sealed up in their little plastic steel stuff. There we go. These cute little Dime 2s are really looking sharp. And these things are stupid small. When I mean stupid small, they are stupid small. Like, they're the size of a flipping credit card small. That's how small they are. They're the size of they are the size, I'm kidding you not, of a Starbucks gift card. That's how small these little guys are. And then we got one little thing right here. Shows a little SkullCandy logo right there. And pretty much it. Nothing really to write home about, ladies and gentlemen. But that is the SkullCandy Dime 2 unboxing. Make sure you stay tuned for the full video review coming on Techno Warriors TV. Now, remember, if you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button if you like this video. Hit the dislike button if you dislike this video. And if you do, all you have to do is strangle that subscribe button, slap that like button in the face, and pow! Right in the kisser. Have an awesome day, and we will see you at the review.